Hello everyone. Welcome to GateMate Learning Platform. Welcome to new video. This is the video where we will be continuing our discussion that was what AI can do for you in everyday application. So ladies and gentlemen, as we know that AI has moved beyond labs into our daily lives in ways both obvious and invisible. From the moment you unlock your phone with facial recognition to scrolling through the personalized social media feeds. AI is working behind the scenes. Here are the practical applications that touch your life every day. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we were discussing that voice assistance, email filtering, product recommendation, photo enhancement, as well as we will move further the language translation, fraud detection. These all are the things where we are having the concept of artificial intelligence. So let's learn one by one. So when I talk about voice assistance, so as you know, Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use AI to understand your voice commands and responds naturally. When you'll talk about the next one, that is the email filtering. Here, AI automatically sorts spam from important messages and prioritizes what you need to do and what you need to see. These are the things that the artificial intelligence is doing right now. When you will talk about the product recommendations, then shopping sites suggest item based on what you have viewed and what similar customers bought. So these are the things. When I talk about photo enhancement, nowadays everyone is using this. AI automatically improves lighting, removes blurs, and even suggests creative edits to your pictures. As now we are having and seeing the videos and some photos that are people creating due to their demand with the help of AI enhancement technique. So these are the things. When you'll talk about the language translation, then instantly translate text, speeches, and documents between dozens of languages accurately. These are the things that the language translation is doing. When you'll talk about the another one, that is the fraud detection. So nowadays banks and credit cards compliances uses AI. Companies is uses AI to spot unusual transactions and prevent unauthorized access. So these are the applications work because AI excels at pattern recognition and processing large amount of data quickly. So ladies and gentlemen, they are right now reliable enough, and we often use AI for all those tasks that we are doing right now in this arena of technology, where it is recognizing faces, filtering spams, or suggesting products, not general thinking. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that we had to discuss. Now, the next topic is that the boundaries of artificial intelligence. So, what it still cannot do. This is very important, ladies and gentlemen, because while AI has made remarkable progress, it has the fundamental limitations and that won't disappear soon. Understanding these boundaries help you use artificial intelligence without overestimating its capabilities. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you talk about the artificial intelligence, then it genuinely lacks in understanding, it lacks in consciousness and in life experiences that shapes the human judgment. So, this is the areas where there is limitation in artificial intelligence. So, what are these things? Let us know more about this. So, the first point is that the no genuine understanding. So, artificial intelligence in nowadays does not truly comprehend concepts like human do. It recognizes patterns and make predictions based on the statistics, but lacks deeper understanding of meanings or context. These are the things which needs to be overcome. Another thing is that no consciousness or awareness. As humans have this, artificial intelligence is lacking in these areas. AI has no self awareness, emotions, or subjective experiences. When you'll talk about chat GPT, and when you'll see that I understand, it's following patterns, not experiencing genuinely comprehensions. So these are the theory, these are the areas where the AI artificial intelligence needs research and development. These are the areas where we can work. Another thing is that limited reasoning ability. So the ability of understanding the reasoning is very limited. AI struggles with tasks requiring multiple steps, logical reasonings, or applying knowledge across different domains. It excels at a specific task but cannot think broadly like humans. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is very important. When you'll talk about another point, then no personal experience. AI has never lived through childhood, faced challenges, or learned from the life experiences. Its knowledge comes entirely from training data, not personal growth. Another thing is that the factual error possible. So the factual error is possible here. And another is that no creativity in human sense. Literally, humans have a lot more things that artificial intelligence cannot have. And these are the things that literally where artificial intelligence is lacking. And we need to work on this. And in further videos, we will know that how these things can be overcome and what are the procedures that we can do. But for that, we will have to cover more, and in future we will talk about this. So let's go to next video.